Long, long ago, in the ancient hills of Bethlehem, during a time when King Saul and mighty warriors clashed, there lived a humble shepherd boy named David. David, a humble shepherd boy from Bethlehem, was known for his courage, faith, and devotion to God. Living in the rolling hills of Bethlehem, he spent his days tending sheep, protecting them from fierce lions and bears with his sling and unwavering bravery. The youngest of 8 brothers, David's older siblings had their own roles, with 3, Eliab, Abinadab, and Shammah, serving as soldiers in King Saul's army. At that time, Israel was at war with the Philistines, whose champion, Goliath, was a giant warrior who mocked the Israelites daily, challenging them to single combat. One day, David's father sent him to the battlefield to deliver food to his brothers. Upon arrival, David heard the rumors of Goliath and saw the fear in the Israelite camp as Goliath issued his taunts. Outraged, David went to King Saul and boldly declared, "I will fight this Philistine." Though Saul doubted him at first, David recounted his bravery in defending his sheep from lions and bears, convincing Saul of his faith. Saul offered David his royal armor, but it was too heavy and unfamiliar, so David refused, choosing instead his sling and 5 smooth stones from a stream. With courage in his heart, David stepped into the valley to face Goliath. The giant laughed at the sight of him, mocking, "Am I a dog that you come at me with sticks?" But David stood firm, declaring, "You come against me with sword, spear, and javelin, but I come against you in the name of the Lord Almighty." As Goliath charged forward, David swung his sling with all his might and released a stone. With faith in God, David, the humble shepherd boy, defeated the mighty Goliath. His victory became a symbol of courage, faith, and trust in God's power. It reminds us that with faith, even the impossible becomes possible, and no giant is too great to overcome.